Discover the amazing potential of 10 herbal teas in your weight loss journey and achieve a transformative body in 2024. Don't forget to stay tuned until the end for a special surprise featuring tea number 9. In this video, you will get an exclusive look into research on effective herbal teas and learn how to prepare them like a pro for maximum benefits. Number 1. Rosemary Herbal Tea. Rosemary is a versatile herb popular in the kitchen and may help with fast body fat loss. Could you try rosemary tea to tap into the herb's potential? Great! Because it is a natural diuretic that can increase urine production, which helps your body eliminate toxins and excess fluid, helping you to lose weight. With its impressive concentration of rosmarinic acid, polyphenol, and natural antioxidants, rosemary is an incredible herb and a powerful way to shed your extra weight. Consider incorporating rosemary tea into your diet for increased fat oxidation. Moreover, rosemary herb can aid in weight loss by improving metabolism, managing blood sugar, and reducing appetite. Number 2. Green Tea. Green tea can be your ally in burning fat and achieving your desired body weight. Green tea is high in fiber, and with zero fat, it is often recommended for fast weight loss. Research studies suggest that green tea can treat and prevent obesity by increasing fatty acid oxidation and reducing body and belly fat. Green herb tea contains caffeine and catechins, which stimulate the production of norepinephrine. Norepinephrine signals cells to release fat into the bloodstream for energy, aiding weight management. Here's how to make green tea at home for weight loss. Number 1. Heat more than a cup of water in a saucepan until it boils. Number 2. Transfer water to a cup and add a tea bag or green tea leaves. Lastly, cover the cup with a lid and let the tea brew for 2 to 5 minutes. Strain into a cup and add lemon juice and honey for extra flavor. Our number 3 herbal tea to drink for weight loss is mint or peppermint tea. Yes, mint leaf tea. Not only do you enjoy its refreshing scent, but it also aids in digestion, which means it can help you process food more effectively and discourage weight gain. Drinking herbal mint tea will freshen your breath, help with digestion, and help reduce your appetite. It's like a minty superhero for your weight loss journey. To make peppermint tea for weight management, follow these simple steps. 1. Take a few mint leaves and clap them between your hands. 2. Put the mint leaves in a teapot. Infuse the fresh mint leaves in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes, strain, sweeten with honey, and add some grated ginger and mint leaves to decorate. Embrace the vibrant glory of hibiscus herbal tea at number 4 on our list. This tart, tangy tea, harvested from hibiscus leaves can boost your metabolism. Did you know hibiscus tea has been linked to fat loss? Yes. Regularly drinking hibiscus tea can help lower your body weight and belly fat, all thanks to its impact on your metabolism. It offers catechins and has been shown to help lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Enjoy the tea of hibiscus powders and extracts. They are delicious and packed with health benefits. Incorporating them into your diet can lower blood pressure, safeguard your liver, and even combat cancer cells. So, why not give your body the natural boost it deserves and try fruity and delicious hibiscus herbal tea today? Hibiscus herbal tea metabolism boosting properties make it a valid weight loss warrior. Brew hibiscus tea by steeping dried hibiscus petals in hot water. Mix hibiscus tea with freshly squeezed lemon juice for a refreshing iced tea lemonade drink, or add cooled hibiscus tea to your favorite fruit smoothie. Next, guava leaves can be transformed into a refreshing herbal tea drink that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also provides a range of fantastic weight loss potential. Guava leaves are a good source of dietary fiber, promoting a feeling of fullness, thereby reducing the amount of food you eat. Tea made from guava leaves has been a powerful traditional medicine for centuries in Mexico and parts of South America, known to boost weight loss efforts. To make guava leaf tea for weight loss, boil young guava leaves in water for 10 minutes. Strain and add lemon if desired. Let me introduce you to oolong leaves, a tea made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant that can help you to lose weight. According to a study, oolong contains polyphenol that give green tea and black tea their claim to fame for promoting weight loss and aiding in weight management. Oolong tea is a Chinese tea that's partly oxidized. It's made from the same plant as green and black tea, and its unique processing involves withering the leaves under the sun, oxidizing them, and then curling and twisting them. When preparing oolong tea, you can use either loose leaves or tea bags and follow the recommended guidelines for the specific type of oolong you have, as the ideal brewing time and water temperature may vary. Number 7 introduces porcelain, the diet-friendly powerful herb that will inspire you on your weight loss journey. With its low calorie count and high dietary fiber content, porcelain can help you feel full after eating, which may ultimately lead to reduced belly fat. Porcelain tea is an excellent source of antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and E. By adding porcelain herbal tea to your weight loss routine, you can enjoy a nutrient-dense and low-calorie drink that provides exceptional nutritional value without significantly increasing your body weight. Porcelain herb is versatile and can be enjoyed raw or cooked in salads or stews. Porcelain tea is made by steeping the leaves, stems, and flowers in hot water to create a mild, tangy, and earthy herbal infusion. Enjoy this flavorful herb to help reduce all-over body fat. Next, we discover the powerful benefits of the curry leaf herbal tea and aromatic herbal tea that can help you regulate cholesterol levels and achieve weight loss goals. Curry leaf tea is a fat-burning herbal tea for you to try today. Curry leaves are an essential natural herbal ingredient in South Indian cuisine and have multiple benefits regarding your weight loss. Mahanimbine is a powerful natural plant-based compound found in curry leaves. Mahanimbine can help you reduce fat deposition, boost your metabolic rate, purify your blood, and even treat diabetes. Moreover, in a 12-week study, mahanimbine proved to be a powerful defender against high blood lipids and belly fat accumulation. You can achieve your weight loss goals by incorporating curry leaves into your diet. These leaves are low in calories and high in fiber, which helps you feel fuller and more satisfied. Let curry leaves be a small step towards a healthier you. Boil water, add curry leaves, let it simmer, strain, and enjoy. Drink daily for maximum weight loss benefits. Indulge in the exquisite taste of South Africa's very own rooibos or red bush tea and experience its unique benefits. Number 9, Rooibos tea, a herbal drink that can help you to lose belly fat fast. I'd like you to please discover how this South African gem can be a delightful addition to your weight loss toolkit. Spoiler alert, it's deliciously effective. Rooibos tea is a type of herbal tea made from the leaves of the Aspalathus linearis plant. Rooibos tea is not only caffeine-free but also rich in antioxidants. This tea is known for its pleasant taste and potential weight loss benefits. Number 10, Black tea. Unlock the potential of powdered black herbal tea to help you achieve your weight loss goals and attain a slimmer waistline, as validated by scientific research. Embrace the power of this simple yet effective solution and transform your body today. Drinking 3 cups of powdered black herb tea daily has been found to be helpful for men and women in slimming down their waistlines and gaining less weight over a period of 3 months when compared to those who didn't drink black tea. Also, keep in mind that the benefits of black tea seem to wear off after 6 months, meaning that black tea might not have a long-lasting effect on weight loss. It's essential to keep in mind that while drinking teas can be beneficial, a balanced diet and regular exercise are usually the most effective ways to achieve optimal results. Remember to wash your herbal leaves thoroughly before consumption to remove any pesticides or dirt. Make sure to store your herbs properly to keep them fresh for longer. Herbal teas are generally safe and beneficial as part of a balanced diet. If you have health concerns, consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Whether you're proactively taking charge of your weight or looking for ways to enhance your well-being, this channel has something for everyone. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest health and wellness content.